Imagine a situation where sensitive personal information is compromised, perhaps through a cyber attack or an accidental disclosure. The clock immediately starts ticking for organizations. It creates a critical moment where understanding your legal obligations is paramount. After a personal data breach, the primary entities that must be notified are the relevant supervisory authority and, in many cases, the affected individuals themselves. This obligation stems from comprehensive data protection regulations designed to safeguard individual privacy and maintain trust. The General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR, for instance, mandates that a personal data breach must be reported to the competent supervisory authority without undue delay, and where feasible, not later than 72 hours after becoming aware of it. The underlying principle is to ensure transparency and accountability, allowing regulators to oversee compliance and providing individuals with timely information to mitigate potential harm. To determine who needs notification, organizations must first conduct a thorough assessment of the breach. This involves understanding the nature of the data compromised, the categories and approximate number of data subjects affected, and the likely consequences. If the breach is likely to result in a high risk to the rights and freedoms of natural persons, then individuals must also be informed without undue delay. This direct notification allows individuals to take protective measures, such as changing passwords or monitoring credit reports. Jurisdictional nuances are also key. For example, in the United States, various state laws, like the California Consumer Privacy Act or CCPA, have their own specific notification requirements, often varying by industry and the type of data involved. Understanding these differing thresholds and timelines, such as the 72-hour window under GDPR or the more specific requirements of state laws in the United States, is crucial for global compliance. Ultimately, the goal of these notification requirements is not punitive but preventative and protective. By clearly defining who must be informed and under what circumstances, these regulations aim to foster a proactive approach to data security, reduce the potential for individual harm, and reinforce the fundamental right to privacy in an increasingly data-driven world.